All right, and now we're at our advanced question for our week 1, day 3 of complex fractions. As we look at the fraction over here, we notice that for the denominator, it actually already looks like your telescoping series just by observing the fractions here. And how do I prove it to you? We can actually just focus on your denominators here first, and we will work with that. So let's look at your 1 over 8, 1 over 15, 1 over 24, 1 over 35. I noticed that there are some students who are actually consider using your lowest common multiple to go and work with these 4 numbers. Yes, it will work because the numbers are quite few. However, when the numbers get much larger, it is very not advisable. So what I would recommend in this case is to view it as a telescoping series. But what telescoping series are we observing? We will actually get this. 1 over 2 times 4 plus 1 over 3 times 5 plus 1 over 4 times 6 plus 1 over 5 times 7. If you have not been able to identify this pattern, you should really try to practice a little bit more, have more hands-on practices for your telescoping series, and you will start to observe these patterns quite quickly in the future. This means that what we can do here is to, once again, make it your 4 minus 2 over 2 times 4 plus 5 minus 3 over 3 times 5 plus 6 minus 4 over 4 times 6 plus 7 minus 5 over 5 times 7. But wait a minute, there seems to be something missing. Your numerators are all 2, but the original is 1. Do not forget, outside of this, we need to have your half to balance it out. So half, and after that, inside our fractions over here, once we did our simplification, remember, we will get your 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 5 minus 1 over 7. Hey, the numbers are jumping a little bit. Don't worry, we can still group them up. So once we have grouped them up, you see here, minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4. Then we have your minus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5. All we need to do now is just to go and combine our fractions together. So half, then after that, half plus 1/3 minus 1 over 6 minus 1 over 7. So here, we will still need to involve a little bit of your lowest common multiple to do your calculations, but it is far better than working with one entire big number. So as we continue on just by a little bit more, we'll get this. Half multiplied by half plus 1/3 is going to give us 5 over 6 minus 1 over 6 gives us 4 over 6, or 2/3. 2/3 minus 1 over 7. We just need to go and simplify this a little bit more. We have to make your denominators the same over here as well. 14 minus here 3 over 21. We are going to end up with half multiplied by 11 over 21. Or in this case, 11 over 42. With this fraction over here, now we will to plop it in because this entire chunk over here is now equal to 11 over 42. So let me just use a different color so we can observe them separately. Our final answer in this case, 11 divided by 11 over 42, or the same as 11 divided by 11 over 42. Here, we have our reciprocal because of our division. We times 42 over 11, and we simplify at the very end. We have to cancel. Then our final answer here, 42.